Go. Hi! Congratulations! Happy 35 years of marriage. Wow! A long way na ha, Tita Clement, Tito Al. First of all, ang gusto kong i-congratulate muna si Tito Al for having a very beautiful, patient, loving, and lahat-lahat na asawang si Tita Clement. Oh, napakaswerte mo, Tito Al, kay Tita Clement, ha? And most especially kay Tito Al din. Alam mo, si Tito Al kaya tinawag na adobo ay dahil habang tumatagal, sumasarap. Hindi ba ganun ang adobo? So, Tito Al, congratulate din kay Tita Clement for having you as her husband. At congratulations din kasi napakaganda ng inyong samahan and very successful ang inyong mga anak, no? Very thoughtful, loving, at tingnan mo, binigyan kayo ng surprise party na ganito. So, nalulungkot nga ako at wala ako dyan to celebrate with you. However, eto ngayon, gumagawa ako ng video. Thank you kay Mean na kumukuha ng video na ito at siya rin na magdadala ng video na ito sa inyo sa Pilipinas because she's coming back sa 29. And today is 25 dito sa Vietnam and it's 4 days to go. So, hopefully, makarating itong video nito sa inyo. Regards to our friends there sa Paigtingan, I miss you all. Again, happy 35th wedding anniversary. I hope that you will have many, many more years of happy marriage together, living happily ever after. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga prayers and I hope to see you soon. Siguro August. Sa pagdating ko ha, pa-party ulit tayo ha, Tita Clement, Tito Al. Again, we love you. I love you all. Regards to everybody. Bye!